Hello everyone, my name is Steve Samuel. Welcome to the Design Visionaries YouTube channel. And what I'm trying to do today is let everyone know about arrangements in NX 2506. So as you can see here, I have an assembly, and the assembly has a bunch of components to it. You can see that it's got a little crank back here, it's got a little slider, and if I go to move component, and let's say I grab the little crank here, little pin on the crank, I can turn that, and it makes the whole mechanism move, go up and down. It makes the crank go around, it makes the little slider go back and forth. So that is the assembly. Now, what I'd like to do is get to the point where I am making an arrangement, okay? So now an arrangement is what? An arrangement is a position, if you will. It's a labeled position. When you have an arrangement or when you create an assembly, you have, by default, an arrangement number 1. So my arrangement number 1 is the position of all the components as I put them together. But I also want to see this little pin all the way down at the bottom, all the way down at the top, or all the way up to the top. So when I look at my arrangements, I can see that there's only one. And right here, there's a grayed out option that says Arrangement Target for Current Work Part. Okay, it's grayed out because I only have one arrangement. Now, in the old days, you would go to Move Component, and you would see in the settings there was a command called Apply to Used. And you can see now that that is not there anymore because there's a new way of doing this. So here's what you do. You go to Arrangements and you make a new arrangement. Here it is, new arrangement. I'm going to call this Bottom Crank. Bottom Crank. I'm going to make another arrangement called Top Crank. Top Crank. There we go. So I've got my two arrangements. I'm going to make bottom crank the current arrangement just by double clicking it right there. And I'm going to go into the position more, and I'm going to turn on Arrangement Target Current Work Part, and I'm going to make it the active arrangement. So now I'm going to say Move Component, and I'm going to grab that little doodad right there, and I'm going to move them down like this. So there's my arrangement bottom crank. Okay, and then I'm going to go to Arrangements, and I'm going to make Top Crank the current arrangement, and I'm going to do Move, and again I'm going to grab this little doodad right here, and I'm going to put it up at the top. There. Say okay. So now I've made my three arrangements. My original arrangement was just the default, and I've put on Arrangement Target for Current Work Part. I've done all of that. And now if I go to Arrangements, I could have the bottom crank, the default, and the top crank. Top crank is very similar to the default, but there you go. That is the ability that you may desperately want, and that's the ability that you used to use Apply to Used for, and that's an arrangement. Now, you might want an arrangement without the slider, for example. So I'm going to make one more arrangement. I'm going to say New Arrangement, No Slider. No slider. There we go. I'm going to make it the current one by double clicking on it. And then I'm going to go to the slider. I'll go to the Assembly Navigation tool. I'll look at the slider and I will say Suppression. And my suppression will be always suppressed when no slider is the arrangement. There you have it. So there we go. So now I've got 4 arrangements, one with no slider, one with top crank, one with bottom crank, and of course the default. And there you have it, arrangements in NX 2506. Don't look for the Apply to Used command anymore, it's not there. And it is replaced with this Arrangement Target for Current Work Part. Thank you very much. My name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and I hope to see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.